You must know a lot from your grandmother, right?
I know some. I talked with her.
You're a little bit young. You didn't see her too much, eh?
Well, I saw her a lot, but we didn't necessarily talk about her life so much.
No.
And I wasn't grown up enough to think to ask.
Yeah, and she would have experienced way more than I did, because I was there conscious after the Germans came in. I was 7 by then, okay? Then all the bad stuff had happened already. I, as a child, didn't feel any of the war, okay? Until they took my brother, and he didn't come back.
Did you ever talk about it those times with my Oma?
Well, I'm sure it came up.
Yeah.
You know, it was part of us.
Yeah.
It was always part of us. So, how much have you got?
So many years here there was
Some stick.
yeah, so
Your wings of caring with your love you cover me.